Hi there, RatTrap25, fair late, as you know, a beautiful week. Yeah, I'm not going to do the weekly Transformers Beast Hunters review thingy this week, because there's a video that's gone out and it's brought to my attention that everyone needs to do this if they're going to AA. It's hopes and fears. Okay, number one, you don't have to fear anything when you're going to AA. It's a great place, you can be yourself. It's a nice, easy, relaxing place. It's fun, it's great, and there's nothing to be worried about. 2, take your cash, because you need cash to get down, buy your food, and so on. 3, if you're scared or shy to meet anyone, come to me. I'm happy, I'm open, I'm willing to say hello to people and introduce you to everyone else. This is what gets me onto the second, on this thing. There's a great man, mate. This man needs no introduction. He is Mr. John Nosey. He was the very first person to introduce himself, and this was my very first AA thing I ever did. It's silly, but it was a good conversational thing, and it got me introduced. It's this. This is something I kept for my, that was the greatest thing of my auto assembler. As you see, it's my name, my attendee number on my very first auto assembler. And as you see, it's, I weren't really interested in meeting the voice actors or people like that. I was more interested in meeting the YouTubers. Like, as you see, MSM number 1 tap me to wire me. Monkey Not Truck. Who else is there? Chief 888 and Sam 555 Storm. Who else have I got on here? Helen the Melon. Ray I Love Mess. TF Nosey. If you don't see me, introduce yourself to TF Nosey. He's the man of auto assembler. I would actually say now, the man who's friendly and nice to everyone and has a heart of gold is John TF Nosey. He's the greatest guy I've ever met in auto assembly. But everyone's just great. But John's got is the nicest guy you could ever come across. Yeah, he's advised me what to do over the. We were speaking a couple of months before. I went to my first auto assembly. He advised me, and I did what he advised me on to. Now I found out we were at the Holiday Inn when I first went, and there were pizzas, places, kebabs, you name it. But now we're at the Hilton, which was last year's event, and everyone was stuck for food. Where do they have to go? People went into town. Me and my wife was fortunately to find out there's a loads of restaurants in the airport. So all you have to do is get the monorail and go to the airport, and you can do that. 2. Also, main hope I want to see is see all my friends again. A place where I actually feel welcome and warm and feel more comfortable where I am at AA than I am at my own home. I have found a new friend from last year, Monkey's Head. James. Sorry, I'm getting you confused with Rob. Hi, James. Thanks for taking me to see Superman last week. Me and him are great mates. Yeah. Me and James are going down. I'm treating him to dinner. Plus, if you work at the company that I work at, people, if you do not know, please message me. Take down your discount cards and the wage slip and your passport, because in certain restaurants you are able to get 20% discount in a restaurant. So if you don't have any idea, well, work at, just look at my uniform. Let's see the back. I'm not telling you, just give you a little hint. Places like Frankie's and Benny's, Pizza Hut, Chiquitos, you all get 20% discount. So please, if you're going down to Auto Assembly, take your discount cards, take your a wage slip, and take your passport, because you are able to get a discount. My hopes this year, I'm hoping to get some Pretenders. I want to get some Pretenders. I want to get the rest of my Follow Cybertron stuff. I'm actually going to hunt down a Botcop, and I actually want to get the Metroplex 30th anniversary. But yeah, I'm excited to see all your newcomers. I'm excited to see all my old friends from Auto Assembly, the friends that I met last year, and people that I want to meet. All you guys, you newcomers that are coming to Auto Assembly, so please, come. I was unlucky to miss out on a couple of people that I was looking forward to meet last year, because my ex-wife was ill, so I had to go home and take her home. But yeah, like this may be silly to some people, but this is one of my most cherished possessions from AA. It's only a piece of paper, but it's signatures from all YouTubers. I think I've got about 50 on there, I don't know. Sandwich SG1, John aka TF Nosey, Ray, that was a funny one. Welcome to the Alcoholics Anonymous, Ray. Thank you. I love mess. See, you read that. Welcome to the Alcoholics Anonymous. Funny guy. He's Great, sweet people. These are the best people I can ever meet. So auto assembly is a great fun time. So enjoy yourself. Be there. Be well. Yeah. Have a great time. I was going to stay there for the entire weekend, but I'm only staying there for one day because I said I would do a favour for someone at work. So I will be going home at about 6 o'clock in the evening on the Saturday. So till all at one, yeah, be good to each other. Till all one, peace.